Hello everyone. Today we have an Apple MacBook A1708 model. WIS is not turning on. We have already disassembled the motherboard for diagnosis. We can clearly see that power management chip is burned out. Let's check surrounding components for further confirmation. As we can see, there are some capacitors, which indicates that this line is short-circuited. For further details, we check in bitmap. We saw that this line is PP3V3LDO 3.3 volt line. Let's remove the burned power management chip. Clean the bonding pads with soldering iron. And again, clean the bonding pads with desoldering wire. Add some flux and install new power management chip. And clean the PCB with PCB cleaner. As we can see, PP3V3LDO 3.3 volt line diode value returns to normal. Let's assemble the device and test. MacBook turns on normally. Thanks for watching.